What's going on, guys? More tinnitus talk for you. I know, making another video real quick, just trying to help others out. I got a question about exercise and tinnitus, making it better, making it worse. I'm actually really curious to everybody else's experience with exercising and tinnitus. Personal experience here, every time I exercise, my tinnitus gets incredibly worse. I know I always use percentage, but I'm going to go like probably 40%. It just, no matter what I do. So all the times that, all the things I've done that it has gone lower and gotten lower and that I've been getting good at over, however long that it's been, exercise always makes it worse. Whether I go bike riding, if I'm going swimming, if I'm going, to the gym, whatever it is, it just always makes it worse. And now I don't know if it has to do with blood pressure. I don't really notice it while I'm at the gym or while I'm exercising. I kind of notice it after. So maybe more blood flow. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is a real short video, but I'm just really curious. So comments below, guys. Talk to you soon. Later.